Welcome guys, yes, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to teach you how to get Instagram followers for free. Welcome to my channel, Wise by Assignment. Please subscribe for more videos. Alright, so as you can see, I have 72 Instagram followers for now. Now I'm going to teach you a trick on how to get free Instagram followers every single minute. Now, the trick is search for a very popular figure with millions of followers, then follow that popular figure. For instance, John Cena here, so I've followed him. Now all the suggested verified accounts on the John Cena, I'll also follow them. Now you can see I've already gotten 21 new followers, so just keep following them, keep following. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bells for more videos. So just keep following, keep following, keep following, and you see that your number of new followers will increase for free. Make sure you follow every single verified account under the suggested account for you. You can see I just gained a new follower again. Now I have 23 new followers. So keep following, keep following. Yes, keep following, keep following, keep following. Click follow, click follow. Make sure you follow every single one of the verified accounts. I just got 2 new subscribers, making 24 in total. Keep following. This is real, guys. This is real. There's no element of cheating or anything here. It's completely legit, very genuine. Now let's try another public figure. I'll type Donald Trump, the outgoing president of the US. So you can see he has 24 million followers. I'll follow him and follow all the suggested accounts. You can see I just gained a new follower. Now I have 25 new followers. Keep following, keep following. Follow, click follow, follow, keep following. Make sure you follow all the suggested accounts. And there's that added incentive of following the verified accounts. So make sure you follow all the verified accounts under his accounts. Keep following, keep following, keep following. Follow, 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 follow. Make sure you follow every single one of the account there. And don't worry, make sure you watch to the end of the video to learn how to gain followers using different methods. This is just one of the several methods we're going to use. Now I already have 26 new followers. So keep following, keep following. With this method you can get up to 100 new followers in a day. So do the math. If you're getting 100 new followers in a day, how many followers will you get in a week? Yes, so it will only take you about 10 days, roughly 10 days, to gain 1,000 subscribers. So if your Insta, you can see, and I have 162 followers from 72. I've gained over 100 or about 100 new followers, all for free. I did not buy any subscriber. Now step 2, make sure you follow all your new followers. Click follow, 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 and don't get concerned about the number of people you followed, because at the end of this video I will show you how to unfollow them and still gain more followers. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to learn how to unfollow all the guys you followed recently and still gain more followers. So I'll teach you how to use the unfollowing technique to still gain more followers. So you have to wait a few hours, type in a new public figure. Now I typed in Champagne Papi, aka Drake. So I'll follow all the guys suggested for me. After following him, so just keep following. You can see I just gained a new follower again. So this trick is real. Follow, follow, follow. Make sure you follow every single person there. Follow, follow. Now go to the suggested, see or click on see all. So under suggested, make sure you follow every single person. And one thing about this method is you can also get likes. You can see I just got 1 like on one of my content. You can see I have 96 followers in in the last 4 seconds. My combined followers have been 96. Another public figure, Ariana Grande. Follow everyone under her, all the verified accounts under her. all the verified accounts suggested to you by Instagram algorithm. I just gained 2 new followers again. So you can see I've gained roughly 40-50 followers already in the last few 3 to 2 minutes. Make sure you follow everybody. Keep following. Now I've gained 100 followers already. Wow, this is incredible. Make sure you keep following. 100 followers in one day. This is just incredible. For free. Now 101 followers. Wow, in one day 101 followers. Now refresh. I have 171 followers. Wow, I started with 72 followers before using the trick. Now I have gained 100 new followers in one day. This is incredible. Now for the next step, unfollow all the people you followed, especially the verified account. Yes, all the verified account, unfollow them, and make sure you don't get action blocked. Action block is when you get blocked from performing any action on Instagram for performing too many actions. So make sure you don't get action blocked. You can see I'm unfollowing guys. I'm unfollowing all the verified accounts, yet I'm still getting subscribers. Wow, this is incredible. Just incredible. Completely incredible. Incredible. I have 4 new followers despite unfollowing people. So now the next step is for you to repeat all the steps together again, from step 1 to step 2 to 3 to 4. So you type in a public figure, for instance Kevin Hart here. So you follow Kevin Hart and follow all the suggested verified accounts under him. Click follow, and try not to do this at a go. You can do you can follow about 200 accounts, 200 verified accounts, and then wait for a few hours, follow another 200 verified accounts. Afterwards you start following them. So you can see I have 6 new followers. Wow, 6 new followers in about 4 hours. You know, I've gotten about 6 new followers. This is just incredible. This is incredible. Now I'm on Wiz Khalifa's Instagram page. He has over 31 million followers. All this is account again verified. I'm following every single one of them. Every single. Click follow. Just keep searching for public figures and keep following all the suggested accounts under them, especially the verified ones. So I just typed in Adele, a very popular singer. She has over 39 million followers. So I just had following her. Can you imagine? I have 10 followers, 10 free followers. Yes, 10 free followers. Wow. Keep following. Be cautious. Don't get action blocked. To prevent this, always follow 100 to 150 followers. 100 to 150 verified accounts. Give 3 to 4 hours space in between, then unfollow, then follow back again, so you can follow the same set of people again. It doesn't matter. Please ensure you subscribe for more of this kind of tricks. Now I have 185 followers in just one day. In just one day I have 185 followers plus many likes. As you can see, I have tons of likes already. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at BawaRoxy. Peace out.